Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing part 2 of me showing you and trying on jewelry pieces from Shein. In particular it's going to be old money style aesthetic and also designer inspired pieces. On my channel I share a lot of try on hauls and review videos and also nursing because I'm a registered nurse. I live in Australia and my name is Yana for those of you who are new here, so welcome. I hope you will enjoy my content. I have 3 main playlists, so browse through all of them if you wish to. In today we're going to be proceeding to part 2. I have in this part 2 for you a couple of more earrings left. No necklaces, no bracelets, but mainly earrings and rings. So we will start probably with the rings. The first one that I want to show you is this beautiful ring that in a style of engagement. I know that my camera is not going to be focusing properly. It's going to be jumping back and forth, so we'll be showing you in more details here to the side. This ring is so pretty. I think I purchased it in size 6 and it just fits this finger beautifully. I'm not engaged, I'm single, but I love to wear rings that are in a engagement style because they look so chic and elegant, and I don't care, to be honest, like if I'm engaged or not, to wear it. I just love it for the sake of the style. This one is so pretty. So I was looking for a ring like that and I've looked at so many different sellers, and I wanted the stone to look as close to, like, I don't want to say original diamond, but as close as possible to a good quality, high quality ring, expensive ring. And a couple of sellers I've seen, like the stone was really bad, like, and you can see it in the comments section. When you go to comments of the people who bought the product, you see what it looks like, and the stone didn't look nice at all. And then I found this one and I've looked in comments and the stone looks so good, like the graving, the shimmer to it, you know, it's just the reflection of the light on it, it's perfect. I absolutely loved it, and I loved how seamlessly made it is from the sides. It's just like, it's perfection. It's absolutely beautiful ring. Just look how it is to the sides. I'll show you here in more details as well. It's just so pretty, and the price was just amazing. It was beautiful. Next ring is this nail ring. So I do have a bracelet which is authentic designer bracelet, and I don't have ring or earrings to match it with. I only have a bracelet, so it was a gift. The bracelet was a gift to me, and now I have got a ring which is matching perfectly to the bracelet. The shade of gold and everything is just perfect. The only thing is that my bracelet has a bit of stones to it. This one doesn't, which is fine. If you want to see more styling videos, try on haul videos, me just showing my accessories at home and how I style it, follow me on Instagram. I will link my Instagram down below for you in the description box. Follow me there because you can see the pieces of the jewelry that I have and how I style it, and when I wear it outside, when I meet with my friends, or when I go out for dinners or lunches. So you will be able to see more pieces that I have. But yeah, just this ring is so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and it didn't tarnish up until now. I have it for a couple of weeks already. This is not a recent purchase and it still looks incredible. And the similar ring that I purchased as well in a silver color is this one. It's a nail as well, but this one is more like a nail, and it has stones to it. Very pretty as well, because I wanted to have two. I wanted to have gold and I wanted to have in silver, but they are different. Like one has stones, this one doesn't. Very pretty. Very pretty, and this one is not going to tarnish because it's made of silver. And this is good thing about buying silver shade jewelry from Shein, because it's not going to get damaged unless you break it, like literally, but it's not going to lose its color, it's not going to tarnish. Maybe the stones will fall out if you're not really careful enough, but it can be lasting long. Moving on, oh actually I have another ring to show you guys. Moving on to the next one is this cute ring here. So I wanted a dangly ring and I bought this one. It's so pretty. This one is designer inspired as well. This one is actually adjustable at the back, so you can adjust it. I like to wear it on this finger. It's just because it has like dangly parts and it's more comfortable for me to have it in the middle of my hand. It's so pretty. It has little stones. The gold shade is light. This one I bought I think a week ago, so I wore it already 3 times I think for going out, and obviously my hand sweats, but the color is still the same. Very cute, so pretty. This is the only dangly ring that I have that actually like moves. I want to buy more. I've seen more designs on Shein and they all look so pretty. It looks so awesome. At the moment I don't have nails. Like, I cut my nails so short because I was playing on with press-on nails. I've got a lot of beautiful press-on nails from Shein, and in order for it to look nice and natural, I needed to cut my nails really short. So now my nails are really short, but if I grow my nails back or if I put the press-ons, that ring looks so nice. Like, literally guys, looks so nice. All right, moving on to the earrings. So I have this pretty designer inspired pair here with the pearl like parts. It's so nice and beautifully looking. Very light in weight. I would say this is plastic, which is fine with me because I don't like when my earrings are hanging down, you know, because it's heavy. But it's so pretty. So pretty. Love this pair. We all know which designer I'm talking about. It's very pretty pair, and I'm very glad that I found it. And I also have another similar one to it, which I bought I think a month ago, and it looks like this. It has these hearts, very cute as well. It has black kind of stones in it. Let me put both of them so I could show you, and then I'll move my hair to the side. I'm trying my best to put jewelry pieces without, you know, like looking in the mirror. So I wore this one already multiple times. I actually wore this one on one of the dates. It was pretty cool. I had like my fluffy white sweater. I had my satin black skirt. I have it all on Instagram, the outfit, and I had my Dior bag and these earrings, and it was so pretty. It was so nice. Go to my Instagram, guys. I have so much of styling content there because my Instagram is mainly styling and fashion. I don't really talk much about nursing there unless something is like interesting happening in my life in terms of my work. Yeah, so mainly it's just styling and fashion, and when I get out for a lunch or dinner or nighttime with my girls, or if I go on a date, I haven't been to dates actually recently, but if I go on a date, I show my outfit, including the jewelry pieces that I wear, and I show a lot of things from what I have at home, what I wear, where I buy it, and I tag it all. So check it out, check my Instagram. This is the next pair. This one is very old money style aesthetic. It's like something that Princess Diana would wear. So I'm gonna try only one because my ears are getting irritated of putting in and out multiple earrings. So this is how it looks like. I love this type of color with the gold because it goes really well with white, especially linen. I'm a big fan of linen in generally, but especially white linen, and this color goes so well with white and creamy white, like a light creamy white. Very beautiful pair, like really beautiful pair, very unique looking. And if you love old money style, then definitely something like this would be just perfect to wear when you go out in an old money style aesthetic. Now, the next pair of earrings is very lovely as well, and it's in the same style, this pair here. You know where I would see something like that back in the day when my grandmother was alive and I was a teenager? She had jewelry like this. Literally, she had jewelry like this. And it's very classy. Now my mom has it since I moved abroad. I think I've got only one pair of earrings from my grandmother here in Australia. And I've got a necklace and hoop earrings from my mom here in Australia that they gave me. But my grandmother, she passed away already many years ago. And she used to wear things like that back in the day. My grandmother, not even my mom. My mom was different in that sense. She used to stick to two pair of earrings that she would wear all the time. But my grandmother, she used to wear like different earrings like that. And she wasn't a really big fashion girl. She just loved earrings. I remember she had that little like a, how do you call it? Like a treasure chest box. But it was for the jewelry. But it looked so vintage, and she had all her earrings and bracelets, necklaces in it. But she had a lot of earrings and brooches, like brooches and earrings. I think that was the majority of her jewelry pieces in that box, and it looked so beautiful. Okay guys, the next pair is this one, and I've got so many compliments when I wear this one. Mainly from women because they understand the style. Men are so simple when it comes to jewelry. I think they either like everything or they don't understand and they don't care. But those ones who appreciate the jewelry, they literally like everything. I don't think they know which one is a designer inspired or authentic designer or whatever. I don't think they understand. But yeah, like these ones, I've got a lot of compliments from my co-workers. I meet with the girls when we go out. Some of the co-workers that I work with, we go out. And I've got compliments from them as well. It's very pretty, elegant pair of earrings. I absolutely love it. So this one I have already probably the longest, maybe 2 months. I wore it on multiple occasions. The stones are still there. The golden plating from the sides is still there. It didn't tarnish. This is a good quality earrings, like last long-ish so far. For the price that you pay. For now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description box below. I'll try to list as many of these items as I can for you guys. And if you like this content, I did review it for you guys before from SHEIN shoes, bags. I haven't bought much of clothes yet. I do have a couple of pieces, but I will add it probably to my styling type of try on hauls from local shops type of videos, and I will add a couple of pieces from SHEIN because it's not enough to make a whole video. But I've got a couple of pieces that I like. I've got a beautiful satin skirt in a chocolate color that I was chasing, and I've been after this skirt here in local shops, but the fit was not great on my hips. This one is just perfect and I really love it. I was honestly thinking that I probably will need to return it because satin skirts is a big problem for me, for the way how they sit on the body, like mainly on my waist and my bum at the back, my hips. Like I like it to just hug me perfectly or be loose, but loose perfectly. If you know what I mean. And I always struggled choosing a good satin skirt here in local shops. I do have, I think, 4 satin skirts. I have Zara, I have Cotton On, and Target. Those ones that are fitting me perfectly, believe it or not. And it took me time to actually spot them and try with the sizes. So I was literally thinking that I wasn't putting my hopes high. I thought it probably will come, you know, like in a size that is either not gonna fit me properly or the shape is not gonna, you know, be nice, but it turned out to be nice. So in my next video, when I will be doing styling content, showing you my recent purchases from local shops and online, I will probably add that skirt and a couple of pieces from SHEIN that I recently received, and we will do a try on haul and styling video together. All right, thank you for watching. If you do enjoy my content, please subscribe. It will help me to create more content and for YouTube to spread my videos to wider audience. So I will really appreciate your subscription, and click that notification bell for my next videos so you know when I upload a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.